The new hit TV show in Sweden is part of what producers call the trend of slow TV.
So the show is actually called The Great Moose Migration. All it is a live stream in Sweden of a moose migrating. This is a live look right now. This is a live look at slow TV right now. A moose on our screen. The thing is, more than 500,000 people have tuned in, hoping to catch a glimpse like this right now.
I have been watching this all morning.
Yes.
Okay. This is the first time that I have seen a moose.
Yeah. On the stream.
On this stream in Sweden.
Yeah.
And this is why you watch for hours and hours to be able to just see a moose.
Is it everything you imagined, Heather?
If you look here, the moose goes through the forest.
This is live, people.
As it looks for grub to eat, and it wanders on.
And it's going to leave us.
And there it goes.
And then you're just going to be able to watch the brush.
Yeah.
And the camera kind of sways back and forth, and sometimes it pans back and forth. And you just watch and wait for the moose.
Sign me up. I like this idea. I'm a big fan of the Fat Bear Week, is it?
Yeah.
Just the Eagle Net. You know, there's a lot of good stuff.
Here's how I know this works, too. I know this works because the way your voice kind of lowered, and it got very, it just felt very tranquil. It's very, very calming to be able to watch that.
Yeah.
I get that.
This idea of slow TV, you're not necessarily watching anything in particular. Yes, we saw the moose, but that doesn't happen very often.
No.
Usually you just watch and you wait for the moose. And that idea sort of just like peacefulness, this actually started back in 2009. It started in Norway, this idea of slow TV. And what they were doing was they just were taking a train ride through the snow. And so people would just sort of watch the scenery as you go by. Like here in Minnesota, we have the live DNR Eagle Cam.
Yeah, for sure.
You just sit and sort of watch.
We have our wolf camera in International Center too,
Right? Feels like authentic. It allows you maybe to just chill as you wait and watch this journey.
I like it. I never thought that. I was like,
you don't think you get bored?
No. Honestly, you know what? Honestly, if, for example, because we have so many screens right now and we're always on the go, if you've got that screen up right here, just looking at that screen, that could just be a moment of tranquility there. Just a moment, I just need to focus on something else for a second. Let me look at the screen. It helps me focus, helps me relax. 100%, yeah.
It's the complete opposite of everything else that's going on.
Yes, yes,
so if you just go on social media, TikTok, it's like quick pace stuff, a lot of things like that. So I appreciate just kind of that slow rolling, video. For us, we have the traffic camera. I like to sit and stare at the traffic camera.
We watch a lot of traffic camera, a lot.
Just waiting.
Just waiting. And sometimes you actually see stuff happen on the traffic camera.
But you know what, though, too? Honestly, it reminded me of going to the zoo, like when I was a kid and going to the zoo, and you're walking along and you see an animal for the first time, and you can't find it. You're like, oh, there it is. That joy. It's the same thing. When we saw that moose, we're like, oh, there it is. That's that euphoria.
Admiring
life.
Yes.
Admiring life, yeah.
Now, it did take them a little while to get this off the ground because the Swedish broadcaster was like, I don't know about that. I don't know. But then once they did, a quarter of the country started to
It took off. It took off.
If you build it.
If you build it, they shall come.
They shall come.